I told you.
We gonna fight anymore?
No.
Hmm?
No. Oh.
Y'all like fighting each other?
Daddy. Yes. No.
No. So just keep hugging till I tell you to stop, since y'all can't keep your hands off each other. Stay just like that. Don't let him go, Kellen. Kingston, don't let your brother go. Put your arms around your brother. Kellen, hug your brother.
Bubba, look.
You stop talking. You still in trouble. But since y'all want to keep touching, stay there. Kellen, put your arms around your brother. Quit playing with his ear. Just stand there. Y'all think y'all can stop fighting now?
Yes.
Kellen, give your brother a kiss.
No, I'm sick.
You give him a kiss anyway. All right. Tell him you're sorry.
Sorry, Bubba.
Kellen, tell your brother you're sorry.